One of the most impressive specs of the GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is its boost clock speed. According to the leaked Geekbench 5 results, the GPU can reach up to 2.54 GHz, which is significantly higher than any other RTX 40 series card so far. This means that the RTX 4060 Ti can deliver faster performance in games and applications that are not limited by memory bandwidth or other factors. However, higher clock speeds also mean higher power consumption and heat generation. The RTX 4060 Ti has a rated TDP of 160W, which is lower than the RTX 3060 Ti's 200W, but still higher than the RTX 3060's 170W. This means that the RTX 4060 Ti will require a decent cooling system and a quality power supply to run smoothly and stably. The TDP of 160W also suggests that the RTX 4060 Ti is using a different memory technology than the other RTX 40 series cards. While the RTX 4070 and above use GDDR6X memory, which offers higher bandwidth but also consumes more power, the RTX 4060 Ti is likely using GDDR6 memory, which is more power efficient but also slower. The RTX 4060 Ti has 8 GB of GDDR6 memory running at 18 gigabits per second across a 128-bit bus interface, providing a total bandwidth of 288 GB per second. The trade-off between clock speed and memory bandwidth is an interesting one for the RTX 4060 Ti. On one hand, it can offer faster performance in some scenarios than the RTX 3060 Ti, which has a lower boost clock of 1.67 GHz but a higher memory bandwidth of 448 GB per second. On the other hand, it can also fall behind in some scenarios where memory bandwidth is more important than clock speed. The RTX 4060 Ti is clearly designed to challenge the competition in the mid-range segment of the market, where gamers are looking for a balance between performance and price. The card is expected to launch at $399, about £399, 540 Australian dollars, or higher for the Founders Edition model, which is the same as the RTX 3060 Ti's launch price. However, given the current state of the GPU market, we can expect that the actual prices will be much higher than that. The RTX 4060 Ti will face some tough competition from AMD's Radeon RX 7600 XT, which is rumored to launch around the same time and offer similar performance and features. The RX 7600 XT is expected to have 40 compute units or 2560 stream processors, and also feature 8 GB of GDDR6 memory running at 16 gigabits per second across a 128-bit bus interface. The card will also support ray tracing and Fidelity FX Super Resolution, FSR, AMD's answer to NVIDIA's DLSS. The final verdict on which card is better will depend on several factors, such as availability, pricing, drivers, software support, and personal preference. However, based on the Geekbench 5 leak analysis, we can say that the RTX 4060 Ti is a promising card that can offer impressive performance for its class, especially with its high boost clock speed of up to 2.54 GHz and a TDP of only 160W. One of the most impressive results of the GeForce RTX 4060 Ti is its performance in the Geekbench 5 CUDA test. This test measures the compute power of the GPU using the CUDA platform, which is widely used for parallel computing applications. The RTX 4060 Ti scored 146,170 points in this test, which is about 9% faster than the RTX 3060 Ti, its predecessor in the same price range. This means that the RTX 4060 Ti can handle complex tasks such as ray tracing, machine learning, video editing and gaming with ease and efficiency. The RTX 4060 Ti also outperforms some of its more expensive competitors, such as the RTX 3070 and the RX 6800 XT, which scored 141,980 and 137,980 points respectively. This shows that the RTX 4060 Ti is not only a great value for money, but also a formidable challenger to the high-end GPUs in the market.